In this video, I'm going to show you how you can resize an image without having the premium plan of Adobe Express. So there is a workaround for this, and it's similar for the workaround that you can use for Canva as well. So I'm going to demonstrate this with a random template. So we'll open up a template here. So we're going to open up this launch menu, and let's say we have already created a design in very specific dimensions, but now we want to resize it. So if we go to the resize page, you can see that you can't actually resize this without having Adobe Express Pro. We can change it to 1080 by 1080, which is perhaps what we want, and it gives us this pop-up. So how exactly would we change it? So what you can do is you can go to the top right hand corner, and here you'll see the plus icon. Click on that and then click Add New Page. And then under Add New Page, click on Custom Size. And then you can add a custom size page. Let's say we want to resize to 1080 by 1080, which is going to be a square and not a rectangle. Let's click Add Page. So now we've got the second page, which is slightly different dimensions to the first. Now we need to highlight, so click and hold all of your elements. So you've got the whole thing here highlighted. Then right click, click Copy. Then you can go to the next page that you've created by using this arrow. You can then right click and paste. And what's going to happen is you're then going to get your design on your new dimensions. Now from here, you're probably going to have to resize it. So everything will still be highlighted, so you can then resize it a little bit. Now if it keeps trying to stay its original position, what you need to do is group it. So make sure you click on group. And then from here, you can go ahead and then resize this however you want. So we're going to resize it to about here. Now, if you notice on the original one, we have this yellow. So we can get the actual color code for this yellow. To do that, I'm going to click on it. You might be able to just click on it and select it from the fill, or it might be here on the change background color. Nonetheless, we're going to click on that. We're then going to go custom, and I'm going to copy this hex code. We can then go back into the second design that we've created. We can go to the background color and then we can paste in this hex code. So there we go. We've now changed the design aspect ratio essentially. You can obviously change and mess around with this if it doesn't look perfect. Some stuff might be out of line, but customize this however you want. And that is how you can essentially change the dimension.